To all nations of the world, we, the people of Indonesia, solemnly declare that we are a free and independent nation. On August 17, 1945, we proclaim our independence not as a gift, but as a right. The right of every nation to determine its own destiny. Colonialism has brought immense suffering to our people, but we have risen, united in spirit and strong in our resolve, to stand as equals among the community of nations. Therefore, today we call upon the international community to recognize the sovereignty and independence of the Republic of Indonesia. We pledge to uphold peace, contribute to work order, and take part in international cooperation as a free and united nation. Freedom is the right of a people, and the independence of Indonesia is a truth that cannot be denied. We thank you for your recognition and support. Merdeka!
I fully support Indonesian independence. Independence is the right of every nation, including Indonesia, to determine its own future without foreign interference. Indonesia was a brave and historic step of freedom from colonization, but also the beginning of a new journey towards peace. Indonesian independence also means standing for human rights. So, I support Indonesian Merdeka. Your Excellencies, distinguished delegates, honorable representatives of nations. Today, I ask for support, naturally, political responsibility as part of the international community. We hereby express our support and approval for independence of the Republic Indonesia. We do not see this as merely a part of one nation, but as part of humanity with their struggle to eliminate colonialism, uphold these rights, and honor the right of every nation to determine its own destiny. Indonesia and aligned it rich in cultural resources, and the spirit of its people has long been under colonial rule. Yet, the flame of independence has never died in the heart of Indonesian people. They have demonstrated their determination through struggle, sacrifice, and unwavering unity. Independence is not a gift, it's the inherent right of every nation. Therefore, Indonesia deserves and must its independence. Colonialism in any form is incompatible with the values of the humanity, justice, and the dignity of nation that we all uphold. We call upon the international community upon every nation that cherishes peace and justice to recognize Indonesian independence. Such a recognition is not merely a political act, but a global expression of solidarity in defending the right of every nation to self-determine. The independence of Indonesia, a part of the global movement toward freedom, justice, and equality. So let the voice of the Indonesian people be heard and know that freedom or death. Thank you.
Nepal, Spain, and France, and Norway honor the sacrifice of Indonesian heroes. They frame our struggle for its sovereignty. Countries like France, Spain, Nepal, and Norway stood with Indonesia, proving that colonialism has no place in this world. The United Nations will further celebrate that freedom is right for all nations in the world. Thank you. Today, I speak before the leader of every nation and the builder of nations. I really want my words to resonate, and my own nation faces many problems, when the time to solve that problem is always very limited. And the attempt to solve it by using force, or by the threat or force, or by the possession of power will certainly fail, and will even result in even worse problem. The use of human rights and national rights, all nations must accept the basis for their own protection and for the safety of humanity. With full confidence, I say that our struggle in any case will be successful. I know, my people, I know the boundless thirst of national independence. This is the era of the right of national and the approval of nationalism. We were previously silent in the realm of imperialism misery, are no longer silent. Those of us who struggle of life we are hidden under the veil of the colonialism are no longer hidden. The fate is determined by our participation and cooperation, and we are together with a nation that has been reborn. The most precious possession of which are independence and sovereignty. How much more precious is it for us who once had the game of national independence and sovereignty, and then felt its needs for our hand practically are bandit, and which we have not reclaimed. The fate of humanity cannot longer be determined by a few great and powerful nations. Also, we a younger nation, ruling nation, small nations, we also have the right to have a voice and choice. So we hereby declare our independence, sovereignty and freedom in the eyes of the world. But we cannot be recognized by and free if we have no value in the world. So the leaders here, all of the leaders who have experience operation and looting, let's unite together to recognize our independence as a form of resistance of colonialism, imperialism, moral destruction and exploitation of human rights, and as an embodiment of our spirit of peace. Therefore, think deeply about nationalism and independence, about patriotism and about actual imperialism and colonialism. Reflect deeply. This is my request. Do not let the current colonialism persist in the world. Thank you. Merdeka.
Honorable delegates, we thank the representative of Indonesia for the powerful address. We fully acknowledge the just struggle of the Indonesian people and the rightful proclamation on August 17, 1945. Today, Iraq, Cameroon, Arab, America, and Mongolia formally recognize the sovereignty and independence of the Republic of Indonesia, freedom, dignity, and self-determination. May this be the beginning of strong peaceful relations between our nation. Thank you.
Distinguished delegates, esteemed representatives, and friends of liberty, I stand before you today not just as representative of the Republic of Indonesia, but as the voice of people who have long struggled under the shadow of colonialism, and who now stand united in the dawn of our newfound freedom. On August 17, 1945, the people of Indonesia proclaimed their independence. This was not a decision taken lightly, nor was it a moment born in haste. It was the culmination of centuries of resistance, decades of national awakening, and years of profound suffering under the yoke of imperial rule. Our struggle has been one of resilience, of sacrifice, and of an unyielding commitment to the ideals of self-determination and human dignity. Today, we ask for your recognition, not merely as diplomatic gesture, but as moral imperative. We appeal to you not only as states, but as fellow nations born from the same ideals that now animate our own republic. The belief that no people should live under domination, that sovereignty resides in the will of the people, and that peace is best achieved when justice prevails. Let me be clear. The Republic Indonesia is not a creation of conflict, but a result of collective aspiration. From Sabang to Merauke, from the shores of Sumatra to the mountains of Papua, our people of many faiths, culture, and language have come together not in division but in unity. We are ready to govern ourselves. We have established government, adopted a constitution, and declared our commitment to democracy, international cooperation, and peace. We do not seek confrontation. We seek partnership. We do not wish to isolate ourselves, but to contribute to a world that values freedom and equality among all peoples. To deny Indonesia its independence is to turn back to the side of history. It is contradict the very principles that brought an end to operation elsewhere in the world. We cannot accept a return to colonial domination in any form. Our people will resist it peacefully if possible, determinedly if necessary. Supporting Indonesia's independence is not only an act of justice, it is an investment in regional stability. A free Indonesia governed by its people will be a cornerstone of peace in Southeast Asia. We will stand against tyranny, support development, and uphold international law. But for us to do so, we need your recognition, we need your voice, we need your support. Distinguished delegates, history is watching. Let this moment be remembered. Not for hesitation, but for courage. Not for silence, but for solidarity. Support the independence of Indonesia. Recognize our sovereignty. Stand with us, not only for our future, but for the shared future of a world where no nation lives in the shadow of another. Thank you. Merdeka!
The delegation of Australia, Namibia, and Finlandia, Hong Kong, Myanmar, and Italy firmly expresses its unwavering support for the independence and sovereignty of the Republic of Indonesia. We uphold the fundamental principle of self-determination, justice, and international law, which affirm the right of all people to freely determine their political status and pursue their economic, social, and cultural development. As a member of the United Nations, Australia, Namibia, Finlandia, Hong Kong, Myanmar, and Italy calls upon the international community to recognize Indonesian legitimate struggle for independence in accordance with the United Nations Pattern and Religion Resolution. We urge all parties to resolve conflict through peaceful dialogue and diplomacy, and security, stability, and prosperity of the Indonesian people. Thank you. Excellency, distinguished representative of member states, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the people and government of the Republic Indonesia, with full awareness of our historical responsibility, I stand before this august assembly to pass the aspiration of more than 70 million Indonesians who yearn for independence, justice, and recognition as a fully sovereign nation among the international community. For over 3.5 centuries, the people of Indonesia endured colonial oppression that not only plundered our natural resources but also suppressed our fundamental human rights. Yet, our spirit remained unbroken. On 17 August 1945, precisely 2 years ago, with unwavering determination and the full support of our people, we proclaimed Indonesia independent as a free state, founded on Pancasila and 1745 Constitution. Yet today, the independence we fought for with blood and tears continues to be challenged through repeated military aggression, violation of our sovereignty, and attempts to maintain colonialism in many forms. Legal and moral basis for recognizing Indonesia's sovereignty, we firmly believe our struggle aligns with the principle of the United Nations Charter Principle. The right to self-determination, Article 1, which guarantees all peoples the right to freedom and self-governance. The rejection of colonialism, Article 73, obliging colonial powers to advance self-governance in non-self-governing territories. Commitment to international peace and security, where colonialism only breeds conflict, while Indonesian independence is a vital step towards stability in South Asia. Some may doubt Indonesia's capacity for self-growth, but the facts speak otherwise. The Republic of Indonesia has a structured government with a president, cabinet, parliament, KNIP, and diplomatic representative abroad. We maintain a national armed force and defending our homeland alongside functioning judicial and administrative system in Republican health territory. Our people, diverse in ethnicity, religion, and culture, stand united under Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, unity in diversity, proving Indonesia's ability to thrive as a democratic, pluralistic nation. We recognize that our struggle is not Indonesian alone. It is part of the global fight against oppression. Thus, we respectfully urge one full recognition of Indonesian sovereignty by all United Nations members as an independent nation entitled to equal standing among states. 2. Diplomatic support to halt military aggression and promote peaceful resolution through negotiation. 3. Active United Nations involvement in overseeing peace process and ensuring compliance with the United Nations Charter Indonesia. Indonesia pledges to the world open nation. Indonesia pledges to be a United Nations partner in advancing global peace, collective security, and international cooperation. Contribute to sustainable development, social justice, and human rights protection. Serve as a bridge of friendship among Asian, African, and global nations, growing from our own struggles against colonialism to champion solidarity. Excellencies, the world now has a choice to put out the colonialism or to embrace a new independent nation ready to contribute to peace. We trust the United Nations, a beacon of hope for oppressed people, will not remain silent. With the spirit of freedom or death burning in our hearts, we await decisive action. History will judge whether the world stands on the right side of justice. Thank you. Merdeka!
I am a delegation of the countries of Ireland, Rwanda, Netherlands, England, Argentina, and Austria to express our support for Indonesia's independence. As we know, a country has the right to gain independence, and it is time for Indonesia to gain recognition of independence and become a complete country. Therefore, we support Indonesia to become independent.
Indonesia. We are the Indonesian delegation representing our nation at this conference. Indonesia is a nation that has fought for its independence for hundreds of years. For centuries, we were under pressure from other nations, a colony where our people endured invisible suffering. Thousands of lives were lost. Our natural resources were exploited, and our dignity was trampled upon. Yet, from this suffering, an unwavering spirit of struggle was born. On August 17, 1945, we finally found a bridge spot. We proclaimed Indonesia independence, an independence born from the sweat and blood of our heroes. However, to this day, our independence has not been fully recognized internationally. As we know, recognition for other nations is a fundamental condition for the establishment of our sovereign country. Therefore, we stand before you all today to ask for your support for our nation's independence. We ask for recognition of our independence from friendly countries, to fight for Indonesia's right to be independent as part of universal ideal. That every nation has the right to be independent and sovereign. Independence is the right of all nations. We believe that with your moral and political support, Indonesia can become a stable nation, a force that contributes toward peace, and an active participant in building global progress in the economic and technological field. We are not just FT, we are offering partnership and contribution to the world. Thus, we express our sincerest gratitude for your attention and support. Let us make new history together. Let this Friends Conference on September 26, 1945 become a new landmark where Indonesia is officially recognized and an independent country, a step forward for justice and universal humanity.
We are from Poland, Egypt, Morocco, South Korea, Malaysia, and El Salvador. We don't recognize the independence of Indonesia because Indonesia is still full of conflict. How can you be considered an independent nation? Thank you.